I guess from a stretch mark perspective, I'm guessing there isn't a way to prevent that other than moisturizing and heavily moisturizing. I
And
imagine.
keep your weight on that.
Oh,
yeah,
yes.
of course.
Yes. Oh, no, but biceps, you know. No, of course, that's a good idea. That's a good point. The weight, if you control the weight.
Control the weight first.
Yes.
And then moisturize your skin most of the time. And then if you are on the sun, just protect your skin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But of course, if one is expecting, there's no control.
There's no
with that.
control, but she can
Yeah.
apply oil. She can get hydrated a lot, like, you know, to keep the skin moisturized as much as you can. So when you stretch,
Right.
it doesn't break like this fine lines that will not show.
Right. So you know, because sometimes I know certainly I find I get a bit itchy at times. So if I'm scratching over a stretch mark, does that make it worse? Does it cause scarring or anything like that?
No, it's different. You know, when you have
Right.
itchy, it's a problem. You know, this is something
right.
happening. You know, but the stretch marks appear, you know, by itself if you stretch the skin by any way.